All right, here we have a 2001 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. What we have done today, actually yesterday, was we installed the BQuazy heel-toe shifter. I had ordered this from their website. Came in the other day, had these instructions. Very good instructions, a lot of pictures. Can't really spell out what you need to do. And then I installed it on the bike. I had had an ankle injury which made the regular shifter a little hard to use. I felt that this would be a good fix for that. That's what it looked like installed. The shifter pegs that you see did not come with the shifter. I bought those from Harley-Davidson. That's the like Heritage 66 or whatever they're calling them. But those are Harley-Davidson shifter pegs. BQuazy does offer shifter pegs that you can buy with the kit. I recommend you do that unless you have other shifter pegs in mind. Just be mindful that if you're going from the single setup like I did, you will only have the one shifter peg to use, so you'll have to source the second one if you don't get it from BQuazy or somewhere else. So I sourced 2 of them from Harley-Davidson, and then I put the BQuazy shifter on. If you can read that or not, but that's their stamp on it. They sell a couple different ones. I got the chrome slotted, I guess I call it. I don't quite remember. I'll put a link to it if I think about it. They also sell a black one, and then they sell them solid. Not too hard to put on. I did have to slightly bend my shifter rod for clearance. Then expect to spend a little bit of a time adjusting things back and forth to kind of get the setting just where you want it for your comfort. I recommend, I think they say in the instructions, kind of set everything loose, get it where you want, and then pull it apart and put blue Loctite on things and tighten it back up with your final tightening there. But so that's what it looks like. Works pretty good. Again, with my ankle like it is, it's more of a toe-toe shifter for me. I tap my toe on here to downshift. I tap my toe on there to upshift. Works out pretty good for me. So keeps me riding.